Well, we're off to look at a van. It's you say it's a dual purpose van, Darryl?
Yeah, it's a dual purpose van. It's a work van as much as anything else. They go to shows. You'll see what they do when they went to the shows, but yeah, they carry all their stock with them as well. So it's going to be a nice van, I think. Something different.
It's not a million miles away. It's just over the hill. It's in Nottingham, so we're just on the way to go and have a look at that one. So see you in a minute. Today we've come to look at another van that's being converted.
Yeah.
She's
we use it for work, you see. So it's not to stay as a van. So
Right.
it can't be just so it's more of a camper.
Right.
So I can't do what I want to do.
So,
But if it's going to make it into a camper van, I would have had a bigger one anyway.
oh yeah.
Not long enough.
So looking smart on the outside. So
It's very sunny. There again, we shouldn't complain.
No.
So we've got schools on events. So there you go, there's the Iveco.
a bit further down.
And I'm not going to show the registration.
Better for us down there. The big old beach
So-
we're on Sunday, aren't we? I wanna get
Yeah.
These are the owners. And
some, we'll get some wheel trims for it. You know, wheel trims.
yeah,
So there's all bits to do on it yet.
so a bit to do on it yet, but we'll have a look at.
We wait till it's finished.
Pull it forward, is it?
No, you're right. So we'll have a look round, or we'll be shown round after you.
Yeah. Well, as I say, I've got to put engine strips and all
Yeah.
stuff like that to go on.
Yeah. So this is. Oops. To the inside. Wow.
It's amazing, isn't it? Obviously, I've seen a few photographs of it.
Yeah.
So you use it as a work van as well, then?
Yeah, all these fold up, you see.
Right. Yeah.
The fold in, that's, you know.
That's why if you look above you, you've got rails.
Oh yeah.
Ah,
So
yeah.
close.
All right.
So
Yeah.
There's the loo.
Toilet facilities.
Yeah. So there's mirror and stuff to go in there. Another light to go in.
All right. So
So as we were saying, this is a works van as well, or a working van as well.
Yeah.
So the bench seats fold up, and
Yeah, show you.
we've got rails for hanging clothes, which is the business that they're in. So
Show you the seats folded up.
how long have you had it for?
The van we've had it a good while because
On the years.
we used to have a caravan, didn't we?
mhm,
And then these fold up.
fold up out of the way.
The caravan fell off the van. Well, the tow bar fell off the van with this.
Yeah.
And I
Leaving
said,
a big space for
Yeah.
So we
for the van.
Yeah.
The other side exactly the same.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we need that. Because we cook out here, not in there.
Yeah.
As far as motorhomes go, it's not one, is it? It's
nice pictures.
It's something.
All the control panel for the electrics.
Yeah, yeah.
So how long does it take
And
you
the
to
solar.
get to this then?
Solar charger, which
Yeah,
is
yeah, which is good. It works.
firing up
Yeah.
quite nicely at 4.5 volts.
Yeah.
we had the van then.
So,
Yeah.
The caravan.
so you say you cook outside?
Yeah, we've got
Yeah,
an
yeah.
awning, what we probably use an awning.
Yeah, use an awning
Big
to
awning on the
cooking.
Side, yeah.
We can put the cooker in there. We're just doing it one now.
Yeah.
We can do that. We have tried.
Got
Set it all.
Any nickly lights.
Yeah.
Seductive lights.
Yeah. Very nice.
And you've got the big main lights.
Nice LED lights to make it nice lighting. So, and obviously
It's nice to show such different vans as well, the way people have set them up.
Elvis fans.
Well, we look at different ones, but I mean, he's got an idea. He knows what he wants to do. So
We've got headboards to go in yet.
Yeah. So where's the beds? Do they, you just
Yeah, these are, yeah, when we
these fold down?
just pull these down again.
Yeah. How quickly?
They do bolt
Yeah.
into the floor, but and then
Yeah.
we'll put obviously.
Yeah.
Right.
That's smashing. Yeah. Perfect.
There was everything on there.
Wonderful.
So with the caravan,
Hang on.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
The reason it looks like this is because of what you do. So
I make rock and roll clothes.
Oh, right.
Festivals. And
Yeah.
I sell them on the festivals. So
All
it's a workhorse, not just a
I-
live in a competition.
But it's got to earn its keep. So yeah, lovely. Okay.
it's very nice.
Do a bit in the cab as well.
Oh wow! And the cab's kitted out.
Just waiting for the.
Bit of bling and
There's some seat covers. They haven't been done yet, but that's what we're going to do.
yeah.
Bit of bling in the cab.
Yeah.
That's me. I do all the upholstery.
So excellent.
Yes, please.
So we just out. Go and have a look at the back.
All
So
right.
we take that off and all the parts of the gazebo
So
over there.
nice storage area under the floor for the gazebo. So it's all tucked away out of the way. The poles, everything in there, and easily got at.
Yeah, very nicely laid out. So do you go all over the country then, or is it
Yeah,
all
pretty much.
Midlands and North West?
Yeah. Okay. When we were coming back from one in Wiltshire and the caravan
Oh dear.
That must have been frightening.
was 6 miles from the motorway. Just before we went on the motorway.
We're lucky then.
So you're saying you've got a playpen?
Yeah, we have a playpen for the dogs.
For the
that
dogs.
goes in the awning.
Yeah.
On the side, we've got a massive awning that goes on there for
So
them.
how big's the awning?
It's 4 metres square on the side. So
What dogs have you
plenty
got?
of room. I've got 2 beagles.
Beagles.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So
And they
go
quite
everywhere.
like going away with you.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
yeah.
Good.
Even though we're working, they don't much like rock and roll, to be fair.
Do they not?
One of them don't like music.
We've got a dog you can borrow then. We've got a border collie who likes to sing.
Oh right.
So he likes a bit of Elvis, doesn't he?
Yeah, a bit of rock and roll in his
Yeah.
howling away.
And a good, nice funeral tune as well. He likes.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So
This is
I see that you've got two
Yeah. Put
a
that
window in.
yeah.
And you put those in yourself.
Cut the holes out and.
Was that difficult?
No, not really. No, you just got to get your measuring right.
Yeah.
Which is, you know.
But when as soon as you start putting a
It's
drill to
cutting-
it and cutting it,
start
it's a bit
cutting it, you think, oh yeah. It's a bit
point of
late
no
now.
return.
Yeah, and they just cut them and they went in and
Yeah.
they just squeezed together.
Are they?
Yeah, they're
so-
quite easy to put in.
Right.
But that's why we've had small ones because of the structure of the van.
Yeah.
To put a bigger one, you're cutting, you're going into something, you know.
Yeah.
You're cutting more away and it don't look so. I've got the ones where I could just fit, you know.
Yeah.
I want to actually about cutting the struts out. you
No,
know.
no.
I thought, well, is it, you know, but
Structural then.
yeah, because you've got this. You've got this metal piece down there.
Yes.
So you know, what do you do about that? You know. So
But they provide plenty enough light anyway, don't
yeah,
they?
we've got the roof
Yeah.
at the top there. We don't want it much
Yeah.
more than that. We was thinking about putting one on the door,
Hmm.
just but I mean they're not cheap.
No.
I think, do we need it? You've got the light coming through the cab, and then the awning's on that side anyway.
So the
So
doors
the door's always open,
most,
so
yeah.
why go to the expense if you don't need it?
Yeah. Smashing.
Yeah, so it's getting there, and it's just the little finer things now that need
Yeah.
doing.
And they'll always be there. And
There's
you-
always
what is it?
something you want to get, yeah. Did that. I did this panel,
Hang on.
and these wires. That's the wires that go into that will come through. But when I put it all together, the wires ended up being behind. So so I might replace that.
So what panel have you got on it? Solar panel?
I don't know what it is. I don't know. It's just one dark pixel. It's good and it works.
Yeah.
Got obviously a separate battery, a leisure battery.
Yeah.
And it keeps topped up. Brilliant. Yeah. No problem at all.
Good.
Yeah. Quite good.
So just to show you what's actually under here is all the tubing for
the gazebo.
for the gazebo. So, all tucked away neatly out the way. Just tucks down. So the spare wheel on the back was put on, a bracket for taking the weight, but because the doors on these vans and on ours I suppose are quite flimsy, it was decided that it needed extra support, so other brackets were made just to take the weight of the wheel and save any stress on the bodywork. The last thing you really want is these bolts just being pulled out of the metalwork, out of the sheet metal, the body. But that's now nice and secure on the back of the van.
The clothes we were talking about before that hang from the top of the van are these.
And everything you see in here gets in that van, as well as us, when we go to an event. So there's not much space left.
And you make all these yourself?
I do, yeah. Every single one, yeah. And the ones behind you in the other room as well.
Ended up down the bottom. Push this. I used to keep my motorbike and
Children's ones, too.
So these are children's
They're
ones?
children's ones, yeah.
You work hard.
I do. That's my winter job.
And then selling them through the spring and summer.
Through the spring and summer, yeah.
So, if you're into your rock and roll and you want any rock and roll clothes, get in touch with us and we'll put you in touch with these lovely people, and you can see about visiting or seeing them at a show.
And not only is there one room there, but so lots and lots of those, and everything goes in the back of the van and they go on to shows. Plus the 2 dogs, plus the adults.
And the booze.
And the booze, the important stuff.
No kids.
No kids.